everybody. I hope you're doing well and keeping it safe. Today I'm going to take you through healthcare and environment. And today we are going to learn about food. First of all, we have to ask ourselves, what is food? Food is anything we drink and it does not harm us. Food is anything we drink, we eat and drink, and it does not harm us. Anything you drink and eat and it does not harm you, that is what we call food. There are some things that you can eat and harm you. For example, this is spirit. If you take this spirit, it is going to harm you. If you take this sanitizer, it can harm you. So these are some of the things that you can eat and harm you. So anything that you eat and drink and does not harm you, that is what we call food. Now, why do we eat food? Why do we eat food? Every day we eat food. And why do we eat it? Why do we eat food? One, we eat food to grow. We eat food to grow. We eat food to grow. Two, we eat food to be strong. And also, we eat food so that we can be healthy. We eat food to be healthy. Those are the three reasons why we eat food. We eat food to grow, we eat food to be strong, and also we eat food to be healthy. Now, the food that we eat, where do we get that food from? Where do we get the food from? I know your parents do go to the market, they go to the supermarkets and buy food. But where did that food come from? Now we are going to see where we get the food from. Food that we eat, where do we get from? Or else you can say sources of food. Sources of food. Now we get food from plants and animals. We get food from plants and animals. Those are the two sources of food that we get from. One is plants and another one is animals. Now we are going to start with the food that we get from animals. Not all the animals that are eaten. Most of the animals that are eaten are the domestic animals, the ones that we keep at home. So we are going to learn about the food that we get from animals. Food from animals. Now, some of the food that we get from animals are, one, we have meat. We have milk. We have eggs. Now these are the foods that you do eat every day. We have sausages. Number 5, we have bacon. We have honey, which you get from the bees. We have cheese. Cheese. We have butter. Now cheese and butter, we make it from the milk. We also have chicken, which you get from the hen, chicken. And also we have mutton. The mutton is the meat that we get from the sheep or goats. Now, these are the foods that we get from the animals. We have some animals like cows, goats, sheep, that we get all these animals. We have said meat, milk, eggs, sausages, bacon, honey, cheese, butter, chicken, mutton, and also pork, which we get from the pigs. Now, we also have the food from plants. Food from plants. Food from plants. Plants are grown, so we have the food that we have from plants, and not all the plants are eaten. We have the food that give us food, and we also have the food, we have the plants that give us food crops, and also we also have the plants that give us cash crops. Cash crops are the whatever we get, like coffee and tea. So that is what we call cash crops. Now we are talking about the food crops, the ones that we eat. We have like beans, food that we get from plants. We have beans, maize, rice. I'm just going to give you some of the examples because there are so many food that we get from the plants. Cassava, potatoes. We also have the fruit like apples, watermelon, we also have grapes, and many others. There's so many of them. So I've just given you some of them. So we have seen the food that we get from animals and the food that we get from plants. So we have learned about food. So food is anything that we eat and drink, and it does not harm us. And we have seen that we get food from plants and animals. I hope you have understood, and I hope that you will. I hope you have understood, and I wish you all the best, and keep it safe always.